What's up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation Station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year as you come in. Please hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Well, man, we want to just get right into it, give you an update on how we're doing with Acorn. We are coming to the end of the year, and we hope that you guys started the year with us and you set up an Acorn challenge account where you put $5 into an Acorn challenge account and you let that grow throughout this year. 365 days out of the year, you put $5 into an account and you let that $5 grow over time. You just put that little $5 into your Acorn account every single day, 365 days out of the year, and you let that account grow over time. What we want to do is take this little $5 that you put into your Acorn account and grow that account to $15,000. We want to grow that account to $15,000. The only way that you're going to do that is to consistently move $5 into your Acorn account. The reason that we even do this is because we do not want you to be the average person. We want you to be far beyond average. The average person doesn't have $450 in their account they can draw from at any particular time. Individuals run into issues with money when they don't manage their money by putting at least some set amount of money aside every single day, every single month, every single year, and that's why they run into issues. And what we do not want you to be the average person. We want you to be far beyond average. We want you to have thousands of dollars on hand at any time at your disposal that you can use either to invest in other properties, invest in other endeavors, invest in entrepreneurial endeavors, start your own businesses and things of that. Or if you just so happen to have an issue arise, you are not ass out, you have the money at your disposal. That's why we talk about what it is that we talk about. I'm not talking about talking about these things to aggrandize myself. I'm just trying to get every single person that listens to this channel financial freedom. I want everybody to be financially free. Finance it's really the problem that we actually have, because we just don't have the money to do what it is that we want to do. So I want everybody to be financially free. Everything that we talk about here on the Sack Black Nation is about you becoming financially free, and whatever endeavors that we talk about, be it being a professional, or be it buying property, or becoming a landlord, or taking surveys online and getting paid for that, selling your own merchandise, writing books and becoming authors and promoting your own books. Anything that we talk about here, ride sharing and using ride sharing to produce income, and using that income for other endeavors, such as running ads on Facebook and become an affiliate marketer, maybe for yourself, so you can promote your own items, your own merchandise and stuff like that. So we believe in 7 sources of income. So that's why we talk about what it is that we talk about here on the Sack Black Nation. Look, I'm not trying to take anything from you. I'm trying to give information to you. Now, I want you guys to know that we got a new book out here. It's called Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. I'm going to put a link below, and you guys need to know about that as well. You need to know how it is that you get into buying stock and flipping stock. On this, you can buy stock and flip stock 6 times a week. 6 times a week on Cash App and Robinhood. But I'm not going to go into that, but you guys need to know about it. You really need to know about it. They got individuals out here that's making a lot of money by flipping stocks, and you really need to know about that. But we're not talking about that today. What we're talking about right now is giving you an update on how we are doing with our Acorn challenge, the $5 challenge, and letting you know where we are with our Acorn challenge. So let me just grab my phone, and I forgot where I put it. So here we go. I'm gonna grab my phone, let you know that we actually reach a benchmark, and I love reaching benchmarks, man. It's so freaking great to know that we've reached a new benchmark with a particular resource that we're using. So this particular resource that we're using right now is Acorn, and you getting into Acorn and putting $5 into an Acorn account. A lot of you guys are already doing it. Look, I applaud you. I applaud you right now. You are doing a great job. You're changing the strategic economic situation of your family, and you're moving you into a different realm. You guys are doing an excellent job. If you have not started Acorn, if you have not started your $5 challenge with Acorn, it's never too late. Don't worry about it. Click on the link below. It's my link. You click on my link below. It's going to take you into Acorn. You can get started today. Get started wherever you are. Get started. Look, I tell you what. If you even put $2 under your mattress every day, at least that's something that's going to lead you to economic freedom, where you have some type of resources just in case something goes crazy in your life. You actually have the resources to draw from. I'm just trying to get you guys involved in the stock market, where you put everything on autopilot and you're investing every single day in the stock market. You're getting in the game that this capitalistic society is in. So I'm just getting you guys out of a consumer mindset and into a production mindset. That's why. So let me go ahead and give you guys an update on where we are with Acorn to show you what's happening. We got $3,017 into an Acorn account right now. $3,017 into an Acorn account. And I hope you can see it. I think you can. And that's real time. $3,017 into an Acorn account. We're going to continue to let that thing grow, continue to let it ride, because we're going to take that $5, like I said before, we're going to take that $5 and we're going to turn that $5 into $15,000. And anybody can do it. You can do it. Your mom can do it. Your kids can do it. And I want your kids to get involved with investing, because, like I said before, it is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistently investing in yourself will grow black wealth. Consistently investing in yourself will grow black wealth. Remember, that's what it's all about. That's what's up. I was just here to tell you guys where we are. We've reached a benchmark of $3,000. We're going to continue to let that grow. When this account grows another $100, we're going to give you another update. And we're also going to give you an update of how we're doing with our stock flipping, because we love stock flipping. If you're not doing and you're not involved with stock flipping, please do get involved with stock flipping. At least understand what the concept is. Watch our videos on stock flipping. We got a book out there on Etsy. It's called Stock Flipping: The New Side Hustle. Please check that book out, and it will change your life. I'm sure it will. Other than that, man, remember, you're only earning and learning in life. You only lose when you do not try. Remember, civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. And there's lessons and blessings, and please stay blessed. I love you all, man. We're going to see you guys probably when this account goes to $100, probably in a couple of days. More than likely, because it's traded on the stock market, it's just going to grow. And since we are paying ourselves before we get out of bed, putting $5 in this account, it will continuously grow. I love every last one of y'all. Remember, this is your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. I'm not trying to take anything from you. I'm trying to give everything to you. So please subscribe. I'll ask that if you watch my video and you're getting some serious content out of this video, you're getting some serious information that will help you or help somebody else, we ask that you go ahead and subscribe to the video. If you want a free book, all you got to do is email me at sackblacknation@gmail.com. That's sackblacknation@gmail.com, and I will send you a free book. I will. On my word, on my life, I'll send you a free book. All you got to do is email me at sackblacknation@gmail.com. And if you want to follow us, you can follow us on Instagram at sackblacknation. If you want to follow us on Facebook, we are on Sack Black Nation on Facebook. And if you want to check out our videos, we are here all day, every day on the Sack Black Nation on YouTube. Other than that, man, I'm going to get out of here. Please have a great night. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.